So friends, welcome to the Techie Zen channel. So friends, today I will talk about LG 45GR65DC-B 45-inch dual QHD curved gaming LCD. So friend, the technical overview provides insight into its key features and specifications. So friend, this display is 45-inch dual QHD curved gaming LCD, and friend, this gaming LCD display supports a dual QHD resolution which translates an immersive 5120 into 1440 pixels equivalent to two WQHD displays. And friend, the LCD panel utilizes VA technology and boasts a wide 32:9 aspect ratio, and it offers synchronization technology compatible with AMD FreeSync Premium Pro, ensuring smooth gameplay. And additionally, it incorporates essential gaming functions such as dynamic exchange sync to minimize input lag, back stabilizer for enhanced visibility in dark scene, and FPS counter to display frames per second, and crosshair for precise aiming. And friend, the main technical specifications include an average brightness of 400 Kelvin per meter square, a display color palette of 1.07 billion colors, a DCI P3 color gamut coverage of 95%, a contrast ratio of 3000 jam1, and generous viewing angle of 178 degree both horizontally and vertically. And for connectivity, it offers two HDMI ports, one display port, one headphone output, one USB Type-B port, and two USB Type-A port, ensuring compatibility with a variety of peripherals. And the display comes with the adjustable stand, allowing for a tilt range of -5 to 15 degrees, swivel adjustment from -15 to 15 degrees, and height adjustment of up to 110 mm. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.